In a previous video, I tried the foam hack or foam mod, where I removed the piece of foam that was inside the ear cup housing of this Sennheiser HD558, and it sounded great. But these are open space headphones, and they have ports on the back and sound comes through. And I wanted to see what would happen if, instead of removing that foam, which blocks or muffles the sound apparently, if I actually enclose these headphones. And how do I do that without making them look strange? I have some extra butyl sound deadening mat, which I used on another piece of equipment, and all it is kind of a sound dampening material that's sticky on one side. So what I might do is I might try to shape this. As you see, it's semi-flexible, and I don't know if I'll leave this backing on there when I test it, or if I'll actually just double this up and put some on the other side. Just basically stick it to itself so it's thicker, and kind of try to form this inside the cup. So let's try one side. So the size of this cup with the ports is roughly the size of this. So why don't we just do that? We'll just cut that size out, and then we'll trim it. So this size might actually work. And when I looked inside here, there's actually no reason for me to not use the sticky side, because it's just plastic. It's not going to rip anything. So let's make 2 of these right now, even though we're only going to use 1. And well, let's form this again. Get a closer look. It's formed in there, but I'm gonna take it out and remove the backing paper. I'm gonna fit this in here and press down on the edges so it sticks to the plastic. All right, let's put this back on. Tested it using a variety of software found on YouTube. You can search for hi-fi, and on the bottom there's also a headphone test. The 8D was also really good. Alright, after testing this, it seems like it sounds almost the same, but there's less noise interference. Like if I do this outside the headphone, I can't really hear it on the side that we put the dampening material, but I can hear it on this side. So it didn't really affect the sound, but it did isolate the headphones just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side. So this side's a little different because it has the outlet jack there. So let's see if we can, let's remove that and then see if we can cut the material around it. Okay, I just tried this out with both sides semi-enclosed. Now this doesn't make the headphone soundproof or noise cancelling. It just cuts out a little bit of the extra white noise and the fan noises from my computers. It sounds a lot better. I mean, it already sounded better after taking out the foam, but adding in this dampening material actually adds to the clarity by reducing noise that muddies the sound. External noise that muddies the sound. And again, like when you're working on a computer, there's fans going on, you can still hear them, but when the music's playing, they're much less noticeable. And when you put these on your head and then you lift up an ear cup off your ear, you suddenly notice the fans. So this is cutting out, not completely, but lowering the decibel level of external noise. So this dampening material hack is a double thumbs up.